Hi friends, we were discussing with our clients and mentioned gold has done with its short term fall. Our initial target was 1790, 1770. However, we had mentioned that we see a buy in gold and our possible target for the next 2-3 days will be 1796. Now we are bearish on this counter. Our if you look at our telegram, our buy was somewhere at 1783 to 782. Bank Nifty, as we had mentioned yesterday, Bank Nifty futures as per given a buy above 37,513, and we were expecting a target of 38,000 almost. You can go back to our previous videos. We will put that in the description box today. And it was a solid move of almost 300-400 points, and most of this rally almost came down with Nifty. Nifty we were a buy above 17,619, 615, which I also mentioned in Telegram, and 17,560 below. We were expecting 17,380. For tomorrow, we are possibly we are expecting that there would be a possible gap down in Nifty, and suppose that we will definitely see a short covering rally, and if the prices move above 17,600 spot, we can expect 17,800 to be touched tomorrow. This again depends on how bulls come back tomorrow, so we would request you to be online on the Telegram channels or connect us personally. We would be happy to guide you there. So one can probably look at buying Nifty futures above 17,470 levels, and possible target of 17,850. Some stocks we have listed out for tomorrow. One is LUPIN. We are expecting we plan to look at buying LUPIN above 898 levels, and expecting a target of 920 to 940. Of course, on the lower side, below 890, one may see LUPIN to go towards 860 levels. Vedanta, we might expecting Vedanta to move down, possibly towards 330, and a big buying can always happen to 360 levels. Also, there is a possibility that it may open, if it opens above 350, we again going straight up without maybe coming down. So initially we would below 340 we would look at shorts for a target of 330 and maybe trail the stop losses, and if it tends to move up we would definitely go long on this counter. The other stock, yesterday we had mentioned Zeal made at 8%. Zeal, we are still again bullish. About 337 one can expect this to rally further towards 360 levels, and with maybe below 330 we may look at 320 or even 312 to be tested. Other stocks we have in mind is Dabur. Dabur were bullish for a longer term perspective to a medium term. However, we would look to buy this above 605 for a possible target of 660 or 620, and one can look at shorting this below 600 for a possible target of 595. Adani Port, we are bullish. However, we would initiate a buy only maybe above 767 and look at 785 or 792 as a target. Or 820 also is a possibility. Let's look at some of the heavyweight stocks like Reliance, HDFC. Reliance, we may look at buying this counter for a long-term perspective. We would initiate a buy about 2,362 for a possible target of 2425, and below 2,340 we would look at 2,300. HDFC Bank, we are slightly bullish. However, we would possibly look to buy above 1,525 for a possible target of 1,550. On the lower side, below 1,508 we will look to short this for a target of 1,490. ICICI Bank, we are slightly bullish. We may look at a dip towards 748, possibly the price can move being an expiry, even go further down up to 730, 726 and move back towards 772. A strong buying can be seen, might be seen above 767, 68, and the high can be made of 780 as well. Bajaj Finance is pretty strong counter. We see a possible support of at 7,000 levels and we are looking